Now you know 4 kinds of 5-finger patterns. I want you to add E major. E major has 2 black keys. Again, you're gonna add E major to the sequence practice. We call it circle 5th. Let's put metronome on 72. It's a little faster than last week. Also, I want you to practice hot cross buns in key of E major. Remember, the first 3 notes for the 5-finger pattern. That melody starts on the 3rd note. We call it scale degree 3. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Also review A major. Review D major.